What is up, guys? And I know I made tech videos, but I mean, like, this is more of like a real world test. Like, remember the video when I did like the tape drop test from 20 feet or the screen protector packaging? It's not really real world. So now I'm doing something like actual, like some people are actually experiencing, and that is the pencil. So I am gonna be dropping this from 20 feet, a little extreme. But this is colored pencil versus lead pencil. So say you're like constructing and like you need to mark something with a pencil, which would be better, colored pencil or lead pencil? Say you don't have a sharpener there and you drop one of them. Which one will actually be more durable? And if both of them survive, I'm going to drop them again until one of them breaks. So let's see how long we survive. So 20 feet. It's very dark outside. Like, it's pretty much nighttime. That's why I have my light on here. And real quick, this is where I'm gonna be recording all my videos in. I mean, if something happens, like the house breaks down, then obviously not. But like, if everything goes as planned, then I'm gonna be recording every video in this room. So yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so here are the pencils, and I'm going to drop them one by one so that one of them doesn't hit each other. So, colored pencil first. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Alright, and the lead pencil. So, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, both of them did not sound good. Let's see which one survived, though. Okay, so right here. This pencil brand is America Gold. Everyone probably knows that brand. And the color pencil brand is Crazy Art. Alright, let's go back to the filming zone and see which one survived. Okay, guys, wow, I did not expect this. So look at this, colored pencil is destroyed. Tip got completely blown off. Like, let me try to get a focus on that. Too blurry. But yeah, like, look at it. The tip is gone. And look at this guy. Still perfectly there. It did get a little chipped. But like, this is a lot more usable than this. Like, this isn't even usable at all. So I already know who the clear winner is. So, but I'm gonna be dropping this guy again. See how long it takes to break. Yeah, I'm sorry that it's dark. You probably won't be able to see the pencil impacting, but hey, we'll still know which one survives longer. So if you're ever doing construction, use the lead pencil. It's a lot more durable than the colored pencil. So yeah, let's just drop this guy again and see if it survives. Okay, so here's a lead pencil. Let's see if it breaks this time. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, dang, that did not sound good. Wow, alright. Let's go see if it survived. Okay, let's see if it survived. It is raining out here and cold. Alright, oh, here it is. Alright, let's go see if it survived. Okay, I was not expecting this at all. Look at this. Still perfectly fine. The chip did not get any larger, actually. Well, maybe a tiny bit. I'm gonna try to get it. Why is this camera not focusing? Yeah, I can't really get it, but it actually survived, and this is still very usable, other than this guy. So, I mean, I guess I could drop it one more time. If this survives, I don't know what to do. I mean, this thing, I'm not saying it's indestructible. Like, grab a hammer, smash it, and it's gonna break. I can break it with my finger right now, my hand, but let's try dropping it one more time. See if you can finally break this. I'm gonna try to drop it straight on the side like that. Alright. Alright, let's drop this guy. Wow, it's so dark right now. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Dang, that does not sound good at all. I don't think they actually hit the concrete though. Okay, so I think I'm gonna drop it one more time, because I don't think it actually landed on the concrete. But I mean, it survived. It definitely survived, which it's not really surprising or anything because it did actually hit the concrete. So let's drop it one last time. Here we go. Here we go. Talk can actually breathe. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that actually hit the concrete. Alright, let's go see if it survives. I don't think it did by that sound. Okay, if this survived, then I'm done because I don't know what else to do. This is like 4 drops now. Okay guys, I don't know what to do anymore. I mean, look at this. This broke from the first drop. Look at this, 4 drops. It's still good. It has like a chip on the actual like front tip, but it's still usable. Like you can still use it. Like watch. I tried to write on the paper here. Watch, it works perfectly. Like it's actually pretty like it's pretty sharp too. It's not like half broken or anything. Like look at it. For the most part, it's still good. So definitely use a lead pencil. Hold on, let me see if it like pops out if I try to pull it out. Nope, it does not pop out at all. Still perfectly fine. So yeah, guys, if you're trying to do some construction, use a lead pencil. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, I'll try to upload more often. And, yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more. And drop a like if you liked these. Make sure to subscribe. Click the notification bell. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Peace.